In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily watch Premier League live on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off you need to head over to any web browser. I'm gonna use Safari, and then we just need to search for Sky Sports, just like that. Enter Sky Sports at the search box and then hit go. After that, right here, I'm gonna tap at that link to head over to Sky Sports website. Once we are at that website, first off, we need to tap right here at these three lines. Then tap at Sports to expand it. And that's where we can easily find football. On the next step, if we scroll down, we can see all the latest football events here, and down below we can find all the upcoming lives. Here we can choose anyone by tapping on them. And now we need to tap at Get a Now Sports Membership. After that, we'll be taken to the page where we are offered a 6-month premium subscription. However, here also it offers us 7-day free trial. So we can use this subscription for 7 days for free. And all we have to do is hit at Claim Offer. And then just go through all of these steps, hit at checkout, and then you will be taken to the next step. And once it is done, you will get 7 days free trial, and then you will be able to use this website to watch Premier League for 7 days for free. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.